This video walks you through how to make images clickable in Wix. Start by signing in to your Wix account, then open the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Once the site dashboard is open, look for the option to enter editing mode. Click Design Site or Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Give the editor a moment to load if needed. This is where you can work directly on the page and select the elements you want to change. When the editor opens, go to the page section that contains the image you want to link. Click the image you want to make clickable. When the image is selected, a toolbar will appear above or near it with several options for editing that element. The goal here is to open the image link settings rather than replace or adjust the image itself, so keep the image selected and look for the chain icon in that toolbar. Click the link icon to open the link settings. This is where Wix lets you decide what should happen when someone clicks the image on your site. You will see different link types that can be assigned to the image depending on where you want visitors to go. Choose the link type that matches your destination. You can link the image to a page on your site, a web address, an anchor on the current page, a document, an email option, or a phone number. Select the one that fits your purpose so the next fields match the kind of link you are creating. After choosing the link type, enter the required details. If you are linking to a page, select the destination page from the available list. If you are using a web address, enter the full URL in the field provided. For an anchor, pick the correct anchor location. For a document, choose the file you want to connect. For email or phone links, enter the appropriate contact information in the matching field. Check the entry once before saving so the image points to the right destination. Click Done or Apply to save the link settings for that image. At this point, the image has a link attached in the editor, but it is a good idea to test it before making the change live on the site. Click Preview to open the site preview and test the image. Select the image the way a visitor would and confirm that it opens the correct page, address, anchor, document, email option, or phone link. If anything is off, return to the editor and adjust the link settings. When the image works as expected, click Publish to make the updated version of the site live. Your Wix image is now clickable and linked to the destination you selected.